next few minutes you can see what I do and everything what is finished on this project. In this moment you can see how I cut a corner of the plastic mask and prepare for painting. This is special paint for a bumper, also for plastic parts. Because on the Cooler Master C700P light bars is white, this is not good for ZOROG project. I must use plastic foil for car glass and put it under this bar. I do that very successful. Light is smooth. In meantime, ADATA XPG, RAM memory and SSD is arrived. This is a very cool memory for ROG motherboards with same pattern on this, but this is not RGB memory. I don't use RGB memory or RGB stuff in ZOROG project. Big thanks for support, I really need it. This is mask for the filter, holder, and this stuff I made from acrylic. I think this is good details with the mesh behind. Also this is very hard positioned and cover from cable on this place. Also I have a filter here, this is metal filter in between aluminum parts and acrylic. I don't need it in this place, but this is good details, and I don't know. Power supplies is position. Also in this part I have two 8K water block Vardar RGB fans with red color in this case. I also made this detail. These details I made from acrylic also. And this is grill for 420 radiators from 3 layers, and a second with mesh. Also try to assemble with other details in this case. XPG memory is perfectly fit in this build with color, and this is non RGB memory. This is behind of the case. This is place for SSD, also SPG. This is good one. In this place I put standard Cooler Master RGB and fan controller. I use this for 2 fans on the bottom and also for RGB. Whatever, I have RGB, I don't use it in this mode. In this place, this is extender for motherboard, for fan extender. I use it for 3 fans on the radiator, but 1 fan it have short cable. I must extend it because don't put it that. Yes, it's a problem. Also, this is cable management is not finished, but this is cover for cable behind. Also, you know, I have problem with the plastic mask. I cut it, and now look at this. This is perfectly fit. And this is it. This is all what I do on this project. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.